there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode, we're going to be looking at this. This is the exit in the game, the abandoned cabin. So I picked this up from the Goodwill store, so I have no idea where you can get it. But you can Google it, I guess. And I think it'll be fun. Let's open it up. So this is just going to be a preview. I'm not going to spoil the game for you. And I don't even know if I'll be able to win. So I'm going to use this creepy knife. So this is basically a horror game. So let's see what it's about. So here we go, right here, let me zoom in. After your car breaks down, you are looking for a shelter for the night. Luckily, you find an abandoned cabin in the woods near the road. But the next morning, the door is locked. Iron bars on the windows prevent you from escaping. You discover a book and a strange disc. So that's what's happening right here. Zoom out. So you're driving your car, you're going down the road. And your car breaks down. And you need a place to spend the night. Presumably the phones don't work because you're too far away and you can't get any reception. So you spend the night, you go to sleep in the cabin. I wouldn't do that in real life, but according to the game. And once you're there, you wake up and everything's locked up. You can't get out. And you discover a disc right here. So this is interesting. And there's some more information here. And there's a weird book. What else do we have? Okay, so this is the app right here. So you have the option of looking at the tutorial by clicking on the blue button on the left. And then you can get a timer and a soundtrack.